Hello everyone, I'm Darkness of Mind. And today I'm going to take you on a journey into the depths of human relationships. Today's topic is the art of reading people, and I'm going to share with you 5 important tips, so let's get started. First, let's take a look at the power of first impressions. First impressions are really important, and it all starts with a handshake. A strong handshake shows confidence, while a weak handshake can show shyness or lack of self-confidence. But beyond that, pay attention to whether they maintain eye contact during the handshake. Avoiding eye contact can indicate disinterest, shyness, or even dishonesty. A handshake can shape your perception and set the tone for interactions, so keep these insights in mind when extending your hand. Our third tip is to decipher the crossing of arms. Crossing your arms over your chest is a familiar gesture. It's not just about finding comfort, it actually symbolizes discomfort or the need for self-protection during the conversation. When you observe this behavior, remember that appearances can be deceiving, and it is important to respect boundaries and understand when space is needed. Now let's move on to our fourth tip, unveiling the eyes. The eyes are often called the window to the soul because they can convey emotions and thoughts in a way that words alone cannot. If a person avoids eye contact, this can express different reasons, from indifference to shyness. However, you can gain insight by observing where the eyes are looking. If they often look at others or inanimate objects, this may indicate disinterest. On the contrary, if their gaze is avoiding, this could be a sign of shyness or anxiety. Our fifth tip is to decode restlessness. Have you ever met someone who is constantly fidgeting, rearranging their clothes, or playing with their hair? Understanding this behavior is a key to understanding people's inner states. Restlessness usually refers to a mental or emotional state. By observing this behavior, you can catch clues to the person's inner world and understand how you can help. We've learned a lot along the way so far, but if you want to expand our knowledge on this topic even further, be sure to check out the other videos on my channel. Thank you for joining us as we continue our journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. See you in the next video.